guys. Today our third lecture of WordPress. Today we see how to edit, publish and delete posts in a website. Let's start. Posts is a component of WordPress that allows WordPress users to write articles and sometimes referred as blogs or blog posts. To add a new post on your website, click on the posts. Choose Add New. Now you will see a new screen where you will be given the option to add a title and content for your web page. In the post title, enter the title of the post like blog 1. In the post content, enter the content of your post. You can also put your image by clicking here. Click on Image. Upload image. Select image. Then, click on Publish after this. This will make your post live. Open the website by clicking Visit Site and refresh. This is your post. After that, if you want to edit your own post, you have to click on Post and choose All Post. There you will see the list of all created posts. Drag your cursor on any of the posts, you will see an option for Edit and Quick Edit. If you click on Edit, this will open your post. Here, you can edit or change the content or title of the post as per your needs. I delete image. And then click on Update button for changing. Open your browser and refresh. Your post was updated and image deleted. Now here is Quick Edit option. Here you can edit the title, slug and date of the posts, and can also select the categories for your post. If you want to delete your post, you will need to go All Posts option. After that you have to click on the Trash option here. This will delete your post. Open website and refresh. Your post was deleted. If you have learned to edit, publish and delete your post, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.